Hello everyone, I Rudranshi Nehra welcome you on my channel Lifestyle Matters. As you are already aware about the topic that we are going to take up today is why walking barefoot, नंगे पैर क्यों चलना चाहिए. Let's go back into the history to check out certain facts. Human beings back then have been walking barefoot or they have been using this animal skin as their footwear. They have been sleeping on the mats or on the ground. This actually helped them to stay in direct contact with the ground so that the abundant free electrons that are present inside the earth have a chance to move inside your body and stabilize all the electrically imbalanced cells, organs, and tissues. Now, as soon as we guys entered into this modern era, we also brought along certain changes in our daily routine so that we are able to call ourselves as modernized people. Because of these peculiar changes in our day to day lifestyles, we also brought along certain health issues, certain diseases, and there is a big list of the disease that have we all have brought along. These diseases includes of hypertension, gastritis, certain cardiac arrest, certain respiratory issues that includes of bronchitis, and there are many more. Now, this is the right time, guys, that we bring back certain peculiar changes, small changes in our daily routine, so that we are not only able to increase our lifespans, but we are also able to increase our quality of living. One of those peculiar changes that are required includes of walking barefoot. And here is the topic of the day: why walking barefoot. To understand this, we need to understand another concept, that is how our body uses electricity. Guys, electricity, it's present outside the body as well as inside the body. Inside our body, there are certain specialized cells which utilizes electric current to transfer information throughout the body and the brain, because of which we are able to feel, move, think, and perform all the functions of the day. This electric current that is present inside our body is influenced by the electric current that is developed on the external surface of our body, that is the skin. Now, how is this electric current actually developed on the external surface of the skin? We'll understand it by comparing it with the phenomena of lightning. गाइस, लाइटनिंग बेसिकली उस टाइम होती है जब आंधी तूफान का मौसम होता है. एट दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अप इन द स्काई देयर इज़ विगरस मूवमेंट ऑफ द एयर, और इस विगरस मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर की वजह से जो एयर है वो क्लाउड्स के सरफेस पे रब होती है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच देयर इज़ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चार्ज. And this development of charge is that high in quantity that there is a requirement of lightning, so that all the charge जितना भी cloud पे develop हुआ है वो वापस it comes back to the earth and the cloud gets a chance to neutralize. Similarly, our body is a machine, and from the time we wake up till the time we go to bed, we are constantly in motion. So you can imagine the amount of charge that is developed on the external surface of our skin. Now, this imbalance that is created inside the body results to a number of health issues. One of them is high viscosity of blood. And high viscosity of blood is the cause of a number of cardiac issues as well. Thus, doctors also recommend to all the cardiac patients for walking barefoot. It is also recommended for the patients of insomnia and various other diseases. Guys, all the objects are made up of atoms, and atoms are made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons are neutral. So, for a body to be electrically neutral, the balance between the positive and the negative charges should be maintained. There is a requirement of earthing because our body becomes electrically imbalanced. Now, this imbalance can only be recovered by completing a particular circuit, and this circuit is completed only when we walk barefoot. Thus, I would recommend each one of you to walk barefoot for at least 2 to 3 minutes in a day, at least in the beginning, and then you can move forward up to walking for 10 minutes in a day. To know more, watch my upcoming video. And if you like the content, do like it, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.